Hi, I'm Nikki from Find Me Crafting. With Valentine's Day on the horizon, I thought it would be fun to show you how to make some conversation heart earrings. These take less than 5 minutes to make. They are super lightweight. You're not going to feel them pulling at your ears at all. You can make them in any color combination that you want. You can make them as long or as short as you want. I'll also show you how to make just regular standard post earrings. And of course, you can make them in whatever heart color or saying you'd like. These are a quick, fun way to jazz up that Valentine's Day outfit. Come on, I'll show you how. If you like this comment, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any new patterns or projects. All you need to make some conversation heart earrings are, of course, the little wooden conversation hearts. If you're making the standard post earrings, you would need this flat backing and some E6000 glue. If you're making dangly earrings, you would need fishhook ear wires, some jump rings, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a hand drill with a 1.5 millimeter drill bit. If you're making a standard post earring, squeeze some E6000 onto your earring back, and then center it on the back of a conversation heart. Press it all the way down, wait for it to dry, and they're ready to be worn. If you want to make some dangly longer earrings, lay out the design that you want to use, and up in a corner where you're going to put the earring post, start using your hand drill to drill a hole. I've already started it. I'm going to pick it up so you can see it. You just twist, twist, twist. While holding with your left hand, you twist the hand drill with your right. You can set it down and hold it as well, whatever is easiest. And you'll break through to the other side. Pull your hand drill back out. And this one, because it will be connecting to the one underneath, actually, we're going to hang it this way. I need to put a second hole over on this side. Continue on, putting holes at the top and bottom of any that need both, and on the bottom one, just the one hole at the top. Next up, we're going to use jump rings to attach the hearts. Grab your jump ring by the side with your needle nose pliers, and if you have a jump ring opening tool, it'll make your life a lot easier. And you can just slot your jump ring into one of the slots and twist in opposite directions to open it up. Slide that open jump ring onto one heart. Slide a second heart onto the same jump ring. And if you put the hearts back to back so the colors are facing out, they will hang correctly. And now you just need to close that jump ring back up by putting the jump ring in the slot and twisting in opposite directions with your needle nose pliers and the jump ring opening tool, or a second set of needle nose pliers. Make sure everything's lined up nicely, and if you need to, give a little squeeze to close your jump ring even more. And now you've attached two hearts. I'm going to repeat that process again for my second and third heart. And then you want to open up a final jump ring, slide that through your top heart and onto your fish hook ear wire and close the jump ring back up. That's all it takes to make your own cute little set of conversation heart earrings. These earrings are so inexpensive easy and fast to make that you're going to want to make them for pretty much everybody. Happy crafting!